Lists in Python, Part 3, Membership Operators and List Manipulation Functions. Membership operators in list. So as the membership operators work in strings, similarly they work in list also. So membership operators are in and not in. So suppose I have a list, and if I write 1 in L, then this will return true because one element is present in L. Now if I write 6 in L, then I will get false because the 6th element is not present in L. If I write 8 not in L, then this will return false because 8 is present in L. And if I write 9 not in L, then this will be true because 9 is not present in L. The next topic is list manipulation functions or methods. So the first function is len. It returns the number of elements in the list. So if I talk about L, that this we have defined 185, and I write len L. So this will give me 3. That is the number of elements 3. List, the next function, it returns a list created from the passed argument sequence. So whatever sequence we are going to pass in the list function, that particular sequence will be converted into a list. Or if we define the string in a variable and we write list S, then also this will be converted. The next function is append. Append adds an item to the end of the list. So if I want to add another element, my list L is having 185. If I want to add another element, I will write L dot append and I will write the element that I want to add. So now when I print L, so the original list will be modified because lists are mutable. So now originally my list was 185. Now after appending 9, my list is 1859. Always in the last the element will be added. Next is extend. Extend also adds element in the last only, but it is used to add multiple elements at the same time. So if I want to add multiple elements at a time, I will write L dot extend and then the elements I will enter in the form of list only. So now if I print L, I will see I will get the modified list, original list only the changes are made, 1859 and 24 added. If you try to write the elements directly without the square brackets, then this will raise error. Like if I just write 2, 4, then you will get error. So multiple elements have to be entered using the square brackets, that is in the form of list only. Now if we try to append multiple elements using the append function, like if we write L dot append and in the bracket we write like this. So this will be added as nested list in the last only, but in the form of nested list. Then the next function is insert. Insert function also adds an element, but wherever we want, means at the desired position. So suppose I have a list L as A, C, like this. Now I want to add B between A and C. So I will write L dot insert, then at which location. So A is at 0, B I want at location 1, index number 1. So I will write 1, B. So now if I print L, I am going to get A, B, C. So first we write the index number and then we write the element. The next function is count. Count returns the count of a particular element. If we want to know that a particular element is occurring how many times, so for that we can use the count function. Suppose I have this list. So if I write L dot count 8, so now 8 is coming 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be printed. Next is index. Index returns the index of first matched, that is the lowest index item from the list. So if I write L dot index 8, so now 8 is coming at index number 1, 2, then 5. So lowest index is 1. Here 8 is occurring at 1, then 2, then 5. So lowest index is 1. So I will get 1 over here. Next function is remove. Removes the first occurrence of given item. So if I write L dot remove 8, and now if I see the list, so the 8 that was present at index number 1, that will be deleted. Pop is also used to remove the item, but if we give the index, then from that particular index the item will be removed, and if we are not giving the index, then the last item will be removed. So if I write L dot pop, then the last element is 5. So 5 will be removed, and that is also printed. Pop, and I mention the index number. Suppose 1. So at index number 1, 8 element is present. So 8 will be deleted. So in remove, we give the element that we want to delete. That is 8 is the element that we want to remove. And in pop, we give the index number. Reverse is used to reverse the items. So suppose I have a list, this 1, 5, 6, 8, 2, 7, and if I write L dot reverse and I print L, so now we will get the reverse of the original list. Next is sort. It will sort the items in ascending order by default. So if I write L dot sort and I print L, so I will get the list sorted in ascending order or increasing order, smallest to the highest. If I want to print the list, or if I want the list in descending order, then I will write L dot sort, and in parentheses I will write reverse is equal to true. T should be capital because this is a keyword. So now when I will print L, I will get the list in the descending order like this. Then min, max and sum. Min is used to find the minimum element from the list. Max returns the maximum element, and sum will return the sum of all the elements. So I'll just write min L. So I will get 1 because 1 is the smallest element. If I write max L, then I will get 8 because 8 is the largest number. And if I write sum L, then the sum 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, the sum I will get as 29. So this is all about list manipulation functions.